Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence or AI influences our daily lives? It's almost like a silent partner, quietly working in the background, from our smartphones to the self-driving cars on our roads. The potential of AI is vast, with the power to revolutionize industries, create new and exciting job opportunities, and even enhance our learning experiences. It's like we're living in the future right now. But like every coin that has two sides, AI is not without its share of drawbacks. AI holds enormous potential and promises a multitude of benefits. Imagine it's like a key that unlocks doors to new careers, especially in tech-related fields. It's not just about job creation, it's about the birth of entire industries. AI also enhances learning by tailoring education to individual needs. Think of it as a personal tutor that knows your strengths and weaknesses. And let's not forget, mastery of AI can lead to high-paying jobs and new business opportunities. However, while we bask in the glow of these benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the potential pitfalls. Despite the advantages, AI brings certain challenges that need our attention. For starters, job displacement is a major concern as automation takes over tasks traditionally done by humans. Then there's the issue of privacy. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, our personal information is at risk. Lastly, there's the potential misuse of AI technology. In the wrong hands, it can be used for destructive purposes, posing a significant threat. So what does all this mean for us? AI, with its potential and challenges, presents us with a paradox. It's a powerful tool that can open doors to new jobs, enhance our learning experiences, and increase our income. Yet it's not without its perils. The same technology that can automate tasks and improve efficiency can also pose threats to privacy and job security. So we must tread with caution, ensuring we're prepared to navigate these potential dangers. In the end, it's not about whether AI is good or bad, but about how we choose to use it.